How to use File Manager in cPanel. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use File Manager in cPanel, available with domains.co.za hosting plans. This tutorial assumes you are logged into your domains account. Select your hosting from the Manage Services drop-down menu. Select Manage next to the domain name you want. Then click the Login button next to the cPanel control panel to access the cPanel dashboard. Once you have accessed the cPanel dashboard, click on File Manager under the Files section. This File Manager interface will allow you to upload files, delete files, change file permissions, and perform other functions. On the left, you will see a collapsible folder list, and on the right are files and folders within the selected directory. For website files like HTML pages and images, navigate to the public HTML folder. Select the folder in which you want to store files, then click Upload to access the upload screen. To create a new folder, click Folder at the top. Similarly, to create a new file, click File. To adjust permissions, select a file or folder, then click Permissions at the top. With cPanel's File Manager, you can easily manage files and folders without needing FTP. Now you know how to use File Manager in cPanel. Get started with domains.co.za today. It's that easy. Domains.co.za. It all starts with the domain name.